This your boy Goodlin Guwap, man. Tap in. If you ain't already do so, hit that like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We got this little review on the Mircro VSKA from Century Arms. And I got a little AR-15 to show y'all too. What's happening, y'all? It's your boy Goodlin Guwap, man. We here, man. We here. I know y'all been waiting. I've been waiting. Let's do it. Yeah, boy. This that Mircro VSKA 2023. You know what I'm saying? Extended mad release, flap, peak rails. You know what I'm saying? 2023 finished wood, you know what I'm saying? Latest and greatest. Put a little beam on it. You know what I'm saying? Mircro VSKA. Yeah, man. AK Plus grip. I feel like with this Mircro VSKA, this is a good everyday carry gun. You know what I'm saying? Book bag, truck gun, house gun, home defense. It don't matter, bro. You can really carry it anywhere you go. If you ask me, reliable, very, very reliable. So don't think that $1,000 getting wasted. What you gonna do? Spend $200 on a maybe gun, or you gonna spend $1,000 on a guaranteed gun? What you gonna do? I wanna know. Ain't no iffies about this. You know what I'm saying? Still getting used to that 7.62 though. That mug, that ain't no joke right there. That is no joke. Oh my God. It got a little hot too. That wood got hot. I ain't gonna lie, that wood got hot.
That bitch start warming.
I thought that wood was gonna stop it. That bitch got hot.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
With bumbo clot me.
Man, shit ain't got serious. Big Esteban shit, man. I ain't lying.
Okay, for real. Well, that thing bigger than you, boy.
Man.
Oh my God! Wow!
What I Am Legend said? I Am Legend. You see the movie I Am Legend?
Yeah.
What he said, friend, who let you out your friend?
Fred, if you're real, you better tell me right now. If you're real, you better tell me right now.
See what this body look like. Let's see what we have here. So this that 223. Goddamn. But this 762. I was just busting that bitch. I ain't really. I hit that nigga arm, broke his goddamn. Yeah, you know what's going on. Goddamn. Yeah, man. A little something slight. Just wasn't really aiming, but I'm gonna try to aim on the next one though. Yes, sir. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so y'all be alert to my next videos, man. Love, peace, and blessings. Be safe.